we got a rat plot. Okay, so from here, I think I went from here, right? Yeah, this is the Rock Gordo area. You can go the other way, and there's something else there. Oh, this is the way that I went and found those hungry feral slimes. Yep. Ignore, and just keep going. You know what I can do is, these heartbeats, I'm gonna feed them so that I can get... No. Come on. Where did you drop your plots? Okay, you come here. Eat. Okay. You just ate my... Great. Thank you. I'll at least have one more. Okay. Thank God. Okay. Great. Yeah, there is something here. Okay, let me at least go through here first. That's bad. Oh, fresh water, yes. Let's go. Stars, where are you? I'm gonna shoot you. So hard. Take that. Oh, I didn't see you. Some more, but I don't have anything to feed you. Yes, pogo fruit, that's good. I'm gonna hide this. Oh, jeez. No. Okay, at least, yes. I am going to hide you. No. Where are you? There. Oh. This is dangerous. This is extremely dangerous. I need a way to feed them these things. Maybe not now. Maybe now is not the best time. Okay. Do I have to teleport back? Or do I have to walk all the way back? Okay, as I said that. Great. What's here? What is here? This is a long, winding path. Where it's leading? I hope not to my demise. That's a huge drop. I don't want to be down there. Phosphor. What's here? Oh, another slime gate? Oh, it's to this area. Okay. So there's more. A lot more. And what's here? This the cave that I found? Okay, it's another cave for something. I like the sound. It's mysterious. Oh, I found my way here. Great. Don't exactly need that. Really? Dars? How much do you guys eat? That you always just farm dars left, right, and center. Well, I don't want to deal with you. What's here? Oh wait, this is that place with the key, another key. So that's the only other area that I haven't explored, technically. I mean, this is a whole new place. And this I don't know what it is. Okay, I'm gonna go take that teleporter. Should I? I think I should, yeah. Because I have quite a bit of stuff and I don't want to lose it. Geronimo, and I'm stupid. And I'm here. I'll create a space in my grotto for these guys, crystal slimes. And I'll figure out what they eat. So I'll buy every upgrade because I have no money problems ever. And yeah, all you crystal slimes go in here. You know what, yeah, I'll chuck these in here also. Ooh, they look cool. Let me check what they eat. Either the rad slime or the crystal slime, both work. Slimes. Rad slimes. They're damn rad, bro. Oka. They eat okas. Okay, rancher risks. A rad slime's radioactive aura can induce rad poisoning in a rancher if they remain within it for too long. Ranchers are advised to monitor their rad exposure levels when holding their green globs of gamma goo as extended exposure can cause serious bodily harm or worse. Oh, so it can lead to fainting. So that's good. Okay, that's good that I left early. Given that raddies are basically more mobile batteries, it's no surprise that their corporations value rad plots for their induced energy, for their incredible energy producing capabilities. Most rad plots get turned into plutonium. That's plutonium, and everything from the latest holophone to a rad wave. Microcook systems runs on stuff. Okay, interesting. Crystal slimes, veggies, odd onion. I see. So good thing I brought both. I'll just grow one of them. I'll grow oka. Why not? Yeah, rancher risks. The sharp crystals adorned on the crystal slime's crown will cause a great deal of harm if touched. Worse still, the crystal slimes routinely create large patches of hazardous crystals in the environment around them. Thought to be a means of expelling internal heat, these crystal patches are ultra hot and can be shattered if placed in water. These crystal patches are ultra hot and can be shattered if splashed with water. Oh, I see. Though a crystal produced when a crystal slime is highly unstable, a crystal plot, like all plots, is more pure than. Okay, fine, yeah. That's just interesting stuff. Well then, I'll just create my own oka farm. And what I'll do is I'll actually, this odd onion, I'll feed it to one of these guys, to this rad one specifically. No! Oh my god. Damn it. Well, what can I do? And I just got 2 of these. Great. So, yeah, garden, create. I hope they grow in non-light environments. I hope they do. You know what I can do? Yeah, I'm gonna put this right here so that they get the shine. Like that. That's how that works, right? Okay, I didn't do any food preparation before unleashing my beloved slimes, but I think it's fine. It's gonna grow, yeah. Oka. Okay. And I need to take care of my ranch. But I think for now, I'll just leave how this is. And yep, today was quite fun. So thanks guys for watching and see you soon.